Hello guys, Best Review for You team is back again with another review on Graphics Creation Workshop. Firstly, we will look at the introduction, then issues faced by the creators. What do we cover inside the course workshop? Who mainly need this workshop? The things you will need before taking the Graphics Creation Workshop. Bonus that comes with this package. A note from our testers. Price details. WHOMANILY need this workshop. Also a recap at everything you'll be getting in this workshop. And the exclusive bonus that I am going to offer you. Attention self-publishers, artists and designers. Learn how to turn your drawings into digital graphics that you can use in your self-publishing books or sell for extra income. Save yourself and publishing business with no copyright issues ever. Dear friend, let me ask you a question. Would you like to create your own graphics from your own art or drawings? Graphics you can use in your low-content books publishing business. Graphics you can sell to make a little extra cash. It's only getting harder and harder to find good graphics for coloring books at reasonable prices. Designs and costs are going up. Monthly subscriptions on a few of the graphic sites are getting more and more expensive each year. The thing is, if these costs keep getting higher and higher, how are you going to still turn a profit on any of the books you create? Simple answer, you won't. Here's another situation that I keep seeing, account banned for copyright. Have you seen it too? Lots of accounts being banned for using graphics that had copyrights on them. Not sure about you, but can you imagine the heartache? Let's say you're doing well on KDP and one image graphic you used had copyrights on it. Guess what happens? They shut you down, and let's say you were earning a nice $1,000, $1,500 or more a month. Gone. Your earnings disappeared overnight because of this one graphic you used with copyrights on it. I wouldn't want anyone to go through this, let alone myself. Would you really want to take the risk here? Even if you are just starting out and only making a couple $100 each month, this is a lot of money to some of you out there. Why would you risk losing it all? Do the right thing and always check your copyrights on all images you use. Keep yourself and business intact. If you are creating your own graphics, you own them, so no copyright issues ever. Have you ever wanted a real way to create your own products you can sell? This could be the way for you to go. Introducing Graphics Creation Workshop. Graphics Creation Workshop. What do we cover inside the course workshop? The Graphics Creation Workshop is a short course of just 7 videos. Here you will learn how to take your drawings and turn them into a digital graphics. From line art tracing, to coloring them in with Photoshop. You'll also learn the right way to saving files in the right formats. These you can then use for yourself and within your own books. You'll also be able to sell them as graphics packs if you choose. The video parts we cover are as follows. Setting your page size. You'll need the right page size here, so you can set the graphics to the correct size needed. Uploading your drawings and setting layers. This may be simple to some, however a lot of you have trouble with the techie parts, so we cover it here for you. Line art tracing. This is the main video on creating your drawings, not a real line art digital graphics. Saving file formats. Saving your graphics to the correct file type can be confusing to a lot of people. We cover it in this video with saving PNG, transparent PNG and SVG files. Coloring your graphics with Photoshop. We cover the coloring here with Photoshop, so you will need it. In this video we covers how to color and shade your graphics to bring them alive. Bonus 1. Designing interior pages. This is a little extra video on how to use your graphics and design an interior page. Bonus 2. Covers and keywords. Here we cover a video on creating a cover for you. We also cover how we are doing keyword research, along with adding that keyword onto the cover we create in this video. Bonus 3. 9 page types. In this video, I show 9 different interior page types you can create for your books and publishing. Who mainly need this workshop? Artists, authors, graphics designers, KDP self-publishers, low-content book creators, coloring book creators, graphics hack makers and sellers, affiliate marketers, print on demand. ETSY sellers, book creators. The things you will need before taking the graphics creation workshop. There are a couple of free parts here and one paid tool you will need. Inca CAPE, free download. Photoshop for coloring, paid. Or you can use another tool if you know how to doing the coloring parts yourself. Your own drawings, free, but you'll need drawing paper, pencils and rubbers. You'll also need a way to take pictures of your drawings and upload them onto your computer. E.g., phone, scanner, camera. You may be able to use a photocopy too, to upload your drawings. I wanted to be totally honest here, and let you know that you'll need an extra paid tool before you buy into my course workshop. I have been there myself when you buy into something, and then find out you need to spend more money on more tools, just to be able to do it. Photoshop CS6 is the one I use and the one I recommend, so you can follow along without any confusion. I want to make it easy for you to purchase this workshop today. But before I get to the cost of the workshop, I want to make it a no-brainer you cannot refuse. So, how about some cool bonuses? Bonus number 1, Elephone Elephants Graphics Pack. Bonus number 2, Elephone Elephants Accessories Pack. Bonus number 3, Elephone Elephants Color by Numbers Pack. Bonus number 4, Elephone Elephants Plus Accessories Packs Colorized Packs. Bonus number 5, Sea Animals Graphics Pack. Bonus number 6, Sea Animals Coloring Pack. Bonus number 7, 40 Sea Background Pack. Bonus number 8, 20 Sea Backgrounds Colorized Pack. Bonus number 9, 20 Dragons Pack. Wow, what a bunch of bonuses you'll be getting here. I'll be throwing in these bonus packs, just so you can see all the work that goes into the creations you could be creating for yourself. Here's what our testers are saying. Simon has put together a very good course here. If you are looking to improve your graphic creation skills, then this new course is for you. You will learn how to create assets for use in your coloring books, using your own graphics, pictures and hand-drawn sketches. A necessary skill if you like to create unique books for Amazon publishing. There are 7 simple and to-the-point step-by-step videos. This over-the-shoulder training will teach you how to create line art and how to coloring them. You will also get 3 bonus videos on creating interior pages and different page types. Plus, how to find keywords and tips on creating book covers. A useful short little course and a great skill to learn. Thanks Simon Robinson. I have been working with Simon for over 10 years. He is one of the best at creating custom graphics that I have had the pleasure of working with. This current workshop that he is offering offers so much more than I have ever seen. If you want to learn the process for creating coloring books or develop children's books, Simon is your man. If you have ever tried and thrown up your hands from frustration, or just found the process to be too much, you really need to see what Simon is offering here. Simon is a KDP expert. Thanks for letting me check it out, Simon. Jonathan Murdoch. What's it going to cost you today? I am sure you can see the incredible value here. Don't wait. Grab yours now. I feel that $97 is a fair price for the amount of value you'll be getting here. This will only be available at the crazy low price of just $97 for the launch week, and after the price will rise to $197. This is not false scarcity here, the price will go up after the launch has ended. Save yourself $100 today. Click the buy button right now to grab your copy today. While you need this workshop, here are some benefits of this course. Avoids any copyright issues that may occur as you are the owner of the graphics you've created. Making your own graphics means they are also unique to you and your books. It will save you from buying other high-cost graphics. You will never need to use free graphics that hundreds have also used. Sell your graphics to make extra money. The benefits from taking this workshop will allow you to create your own graphics from your own drawings. These graphics can then be used within your books for KDP, print-on-demand items, websites you've created, Etsy sellers, coloring books, or like myself, you can create graphics packs you can sell to others and make a little extra income. along with the problems a lot are having with copyrights and having accounts shut down. You won't have this problem because you are the creator and owner of said graphics. Let's have a recap at everything you'll be getting in this workshop. Graphics Creation Workshop, 7-part video course value $197. Bonus number 1, Elephone Elephants Graphics Pack value $27. Bonus number 2, Elephone Elephants Accessories Pack value $37. Bonus number 3, Elephone Elephants Color by Numbers Pack value $37. Bonus number 4, Elephone Elephants Plus Accessories Packs Colorized Packs value $47. Bonus number 5, Sea Animals Graphics Pack value $27. Bonus number 6, Sea Animals Coloring Pack value $37. Bonus number 7, 40 Sea Background Pack value $37. Bonus number 8, 20 Sea Backgrounds Colorized Pack value $47. Bonus number 9, 20 Dragons Pack value $27. Total value here today, total value $520. I'm sure you can see the incredible value here, don't wait. Grab yours now. I feel the $97 is a fair price for the knowledge you'll be gaining here. This will only be available at the crazy low price of just $97 for the launch week, and after the price will rise to $197. This is not false scarcity here, the price will go up after the launch has ended. Pick it up today to save $100 off the regular price. Hit that buy button below to grab a copy of the Graphics Creation Workshop today. Lastly, these are the bonuses that I have to offer you. These are worth more than $4,000 that I am giving you for free. The only condition is that you have to purchase the product through the link given below in the description, and after the purchase send an email with a screenshot of your purchase on our email, which you will find in description below. Have a look at the bonuses. These are not the 1 or 2 bonuses or 3 simple bonus, but in total I am offering you 21 bonuses. This definitely will help you if you are a content creator or an affiliate marketer, or even if you run a digital marketing agency. So here is the review from the Best Review for You team. If you liked the video then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check the description below.